Welcome, fellow explorers of taste and health, to a tropical journey that will tantalize your taste buds. Today, we're diving into the world of 11 exotic wonders that not only offer unique flavors, but also pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. From antioxidants to vitamins, these natural delights are nature's gift to your well-being. Let's embark on this delicious adventure. 1. Dragon fruit. This stunning tropical gem, with its vibrant pink skin and speckled flesh, is a visual treat. Rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, it's known to boost your immune system and aid in digestion. Its subtle sweetness and unique texture make it a favorite in salads, smoothies, or simply enjoyed fresh. Dragon fruit is not just a feast for the eyes, it's a nourishing treat for your body. 2. Durian. Often referred to as the king of tropical delights, durian's unique smell and taste are unforgettable. Packed with potassium and magnesium, it supports heart health. Its creamy texture makes it perfect for desserts, and its nutritional profile is as impressive as its flavor. Whether you love it or are still acquiring the taste, durian's health benefits are worth exploring. 3. Mangosteen. The queen of tropical delights is a royal indulgence. Its purple rind hides juicy white flesh that's rich in antioxidants called xanthones, believed to have anti-inflammatory properties. Enjoy it fresh or in tropical fruit salads and relish its juicy sweetness. Mangosteen's rich flavor and health benefits make it a must-try for fruit enthusiasts. 4. Jackfruit. This giant tropical wonder is a nutritional powerhouse. High in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, it's a great meat substitute for vegetarians. From curries to snacks, jackfruit's versatility is as impressive as its health benefits. Its ability to boost energy and support skin health makes it a versatile gem in both culinary and wellness circles. 5. Acai berries. These small, dark berries from the Amazon rainforest are a superfood star. Known for their high antioxidant content, they support heart health and may aid in weight loss. Blend them into a smoothie bowl, topped with granola and fresh fruits, for a delicious and healthy breakfast. Acai berries are a flavorful way to add a nutritional boost to your day. 6. Papaya. This tropical delight with its vibrant orange color is a digestive aid thanks to enzymes like papain. Rich in vitamin C, it promotes skin health and adds a tropical flair to your meals. Enjoy it in fruit salads, smoothies, or as a refreshing snack. Papaya's natural sweetness and health-enhancing properties make it a favorite among health-conscious individuals. 7. Lychee. Sweet and juicy, lychee is a tropical treasure. Packed with vitamin B6 and vitamin C, it supports immune function. Its unique flavor pairs well with other tropical delights, making it a delightful addition to fruit cocktails and desserts. Lychee's fragrant aroma and succulent taste are a celebration of tropical flavors. 8. Starfruit. Shaped like a star, this tropical wonder adds sparkle to your diet. Low in calories and rich in fiber and vitamin C, it's a refreshing snack or a decorative addition to salads and beverages. Starfruit's crisp texture and tangy flavor make it a standout in both taste and appearance. 9. Guava. Loaded with dietary fiber and vitamin C, guava is a tropical treasure that supports heart health and regulates blood sugar. Enjoy it in juices, jams, or fresh, and savor its tropical flavor. Guava's unique taste and nutritional benefits make it a versatile addition to your culinary repertoire. 10. Passion fruit. Aromatic and rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, passion fruit is a passionate choice for wellness. Its tangy flavor enhances desserts, salads, and beverages. The seeds add a delightful crunch, and the health benefits, including supporting digestive health, make it a flavorful and nourishing option. 11. Longan. Similar to lychee, longan is a sweet and juicy tropical delight. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, it's known to boost energy and reduce stress. Enjoy it fresh or in desserts and let its soothing sweetness delight your palate. Longan's calming properties make it a soothing treat for both body and mind. In conclusion, these 11 exotic tropical delights are a feast for the senses and a boon for your health. From boosting immunity to supporting heart health, they offer unique flavors and benefits that are worth exploring. So why not take a culinary adventure and add a splash of color and wellness to your diet? These tropical wonders are waiting to be discovered, each with its own story and flavor profile. Thanks for joining us on this fruity adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite tropical delight in the comments below. Stay healthy and see you next time.